Let's talk about how to change the Wi-Fi on a Tapo C615. Let's say, for example, you are moving and you just need to change the Wi-Fi for a new location. You can come here, open the rubber flap, and there's a button that allows you to change the Wi-Fi. Here on the app, there's no option to change the Wi-Fi, especially if you're moving and there's a new router. You just need to reset the camera, but you can just reset partially, so you can change the Wi-Fi instead of losing all the configuration that you have on the camera. Let me just show you here that you just need to come here to this rubber flap, then you open the way, and here you see the reset button and a power button. Okay, just grab a tool like this one, for example, or a pen or something, then you can reach the reset button. Then you just come here and you're gonna press the reset button. Just show you how it works. You can also use your fingernails. Basically, you come here, you press and hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you let it go and you see the LED flashing here. There we go. And now it's flashing again, red and green, which means the camera is ready for the setup, but it's partially reset. Okay? But the camera is not going to reset completely and lose all the information. It just will reset partially, allows you to change the Wi-Fi. Just need to wait the camera to finish its tests, right? It tests for everything, doing the movement in the horizontal and then the vertical. And then you come here to your app and you see there's no longer available here. And you just need to come here to the plus signal and add the camera again. So you just add a new device. From here, you look for outdoor cameras and you're gonna find your Tapo C615. Just go down until you find it. There we go, Tapo C615. And now you ask me to check if the LED is flashing. So I double check here, it's flashing red and green. I come here, just tap on it. And now the camera is going to connect via Bluetooth. Just make sure that you have Bluetooth enabled on your cell phone. And the cell phone is connecting directly to the camera, not to the router yet. And now you see the important message here about the pre-configured device. That's why you have the option to change the Wi-Fi, because it's a pre-configured device after resetting for 5 seconds, right? So just keep existing settings. There we go. Now it asks you to connect the Wi-Fi that you want. So I just select mine here. I enter the password and just hit next. Next again.
Connecting to Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi connected.
There we go. Just hear the message about the Wi-Fi connected. Just wait a little bit longer. And there we go, the setup is complete. Now you have your camera working, it sounds good. And you just keep hitting here, dismiss or next, until you finish the installation, until you finish the setup. There we go, I'm gonna skip this one because it's my hub. If you don't have a hub there, you just need to insert the SD card and the camera will start recording into the SD card. Just read the information here. It's basically the regular setup. Here more information about the mount. Wait for 5 seconds so you can see the next button available. Select here and charge now, mount later, because I have already the camera working. I just exit here the wizard and it's good to go. The camera is now connected and using the new Wi-Fi, okay? So very, very simple. Basically, that's the way you can change the Wi-Fi on a Tapo C615. I hope that helps. Leave your comments here, subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next one.